Hello guys, come close for me to show you something special. As usual, we are going to make money online today in this tutorial. So if you are here, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and then like this particular video and leave your comment section down there below if you have any. Do you know that you can make money for just reading emails? Do you know? No? Right? That is what we're going to talk about today. We are going to make money online by just reading emails. Trust me on that. Watch the video to the end, and at the end of this tutorial, you are going to make hundreds, 500s or thousands of money online by just reading emails. That is why I said you should call your friends to also come and then watch this particular video by clicking on the share button to share to their Facebook account, their WhatsApp, to their social media accounts. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. The first ever thing that you are going to do is to wait. Have you liked the video? Now, let's continue. Go to google.com and then search for this keyword, volutic. Okay, and then click on the first result here that says volutic, earn money by reading emails. Right, here we are, earn money by reading emails. So it is basically telling you that you can make money online through their website by just reading emails. So it says earn money by reading email wherever you are. With volutic, you can earn money by reading emails whenever you are, from your PC, tablet, or mobile phone. So it doesn't matter the device that you are using. Only if you are connected to the internet, you can just be making money with that particular device. One opportunity that they are giving you again is that you can refer people. You can call your friends to also earn money with you. So the more money your friends make, the more money that you make. But it doesn't matter if you don't call anybody, if you don't invite anyone, you can still make money with this website. Okay, so let's continue. If you are here, you just need to click on the register now, or click on the register here, or the one here. Any of them will work perfectly. Okay. You just need to fill this simple form with your username, your email address, your password. You confirm the password. If you have any referral, then you put it here. I'm going to leave my referral link in the video description down there below. So if you click on the referral link, my name will be appeared here for you to see that I referred you. Okay, but if you come to the website straightforward, you're not going to see any referral as it is empty over here. Okay, so you can either choose to use the Google search or use the link in the video description. You need to accept their terms of service. So accept all these three and then click on register. A verification mail was sent to the email address that you used. This website will be sending you emails upon emails each and every day. You can just create a new email address for this particular business, okay? Because as I said already, they are going to send you numerous of emails. So if you don't want that trouble, or if you don't want it to mix up with your emails, just use a different or create a different email address for this particular business, okay? All right, so a verification mail will be sent to the email address that you use to register, and you just need to click on this link to get your account verified. Okay, the email that they are going to deliver to you for you to read to earn money can be sent to the spam box. Okay, so we need to do some settings in order to avoid such emails landing in our spam box. Okay, so let's do this. Come to these three dots over here that says see more, click on it and then go to filter messages like, and then click on create filter, and then tick this one, *8, and then this one, never send it to spam, and then this one says categorize as. Then click on the drop down here and then choose primary, and then click on create filter. Very good, you are good to go. You are not going to have any email in your spam box. You're going to have all the emails in your primary filter. Okay, so everything is going to look perfectly for you. All right, so if your account is verified, you just log into the account. So this is the account dashboard. You have your referral link over here, so you can copy this link and then send it to your friends for them to come to the website through your link, and you are going to earn a referral commission for that doing. Okay, and then you're going to see your main balance, your purchase. If you purchase anything, your balance will be here, and then your commission is also going to be here for you. If you want to withdraw your income, you can just click on the withdraw, and then you fill the process, then you get your money in your account. They use per year, and then they have also faucet account, so you can create either per year account or faucet account if you don't have one for you to receive your earnings. Okay, all right, so let me once again show you one simple thing that you need to do for you to be getting a lot of to read for you to get paid. Okay, you can't read every mail that they'll give you. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you're going to do. Go into your inbox at least every 10 minutes, every 20 minutes or 30 minutes on an hour. Come to the inbox and then read the messages that they sent you. As I said, you can't read everything, so do this. Click on this one to select all the mails, and then click on the drop down and then click on mark as read. Good. So it is indicating that we have read the messages that they sent to us all the time. Do this all the time, do this, and you are going to see your account growing rapidly. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do not forget to do that and turn on the notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload a new video to the channel. Don't forget to leave this video a like and comment down there below if you have any question for me, or if you have anything saying about this particular video or any other that I've made already. All right, do these basic things to make money online. You just read messages, just read emails that this website will send to you, and then you earn money. Their minimum payout is $0.1. So it is so cool that you can get paid at any time over here. All right, so make sure you do this to earn yourself some money to do one or two things. Let's meet inside of one of the next videos for us to talk more about how to make money online. Thank you for being here. Let's meet inside one of the next tutorials.